When it comes to versatile kitchen appliances, this Presto 16-inch electric skillet with glass cover stands out as a must-have. This modern skillet transforms the way you cook, combining convenience, efficiency, and style in one sleek package. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or entertaining guests, this electric skillet has you covered. Why choose the Presto 16-inch electric skillet? 1. Versatility at its best. This electric skillet isn't just for frying. Roast, grill, stew, bake, or even create casseroles effortlessly. From fluffy pancakes in the morning to savory roasts for dinner, the Presto 16-inch electric skillet adapts to your cooking needs. With its large 16-inch pan and high sidewalls, it's perfect for feeding large families or entertaining guests. 2. Convenient design features. The tempered glass cover allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, retaining heat and flavors. Its stay-cool handle ensures safety and ease of use, even during long cooking sessions. Plus, when you're hosting, this skillet doubles as a buffet server, keeping your food warm and ready to serve. 3. Ceramic non-stick surface. Cooking is a breeze with the durable ceramic non-stick coating, both inside and out. This PFAS-free surface ensures your meals are cooked safely, with no harmful chemicals. Cleaning is equally effortless. Food slides right off, and the entire skillet can be immersed in water once the heat control is removed. 4. Energy efficiency. The Presto electric skillet is not only convenient, but also eco-friendly. It consumes less energy compared to traditional stovetops or ovens, making it a budget-friendly option for your kitchen. 5. Built to last. Constructed from heavy cast aluminum, the skillet's base is virtually warp-proof, ensuring it stays sturdy and reliable for years. The adjustable Control Master heat control keeps cooking temperatures consistent, so your food is always perfectly cooked. Who will benefit from this skillet? Whether you're a busy parent preparing meals for the family, a host who loves entertaining, or someone who simply enjoys cooking, this electric skillet is tailored to suit your needs. Its large capacity and multifunctional design make it an excellent choice for anyone who values convenience and efficiency. Customer favorite features. Large capacity. The 16-inch pan with high sidewalls is perfect for family meals or batch cooking. Non-stick coating. Effortless cooking and cleaning, with a surface designed to resist wear and tear. Energy savings. Save money while reducing your energy footprint. Buffet ready. Impress guests by serving straight from the skillet, with food kept warm and appetizing. Potential drawbacks. While the Presto electric skillet has many advantages, a few considerations include: size. Its large size may not suit smaller kitchens with limited counter space. Storage. Storing a 16-inch skillet may require additional space in your kitchen. That said, these factors are outweighed by the sheer utility and performance of this skillet. Don't take our word for it, try it yourself. The Presto 16-inch electric skillet with glass cover is a trusted kitchen companion for countless households. Its combination of versatility, efficiency, and durability makes it an indispensable tool for anyone who loves cooking. Final thoughts. In the fast-paced world of modern cooking, the Presto 16-inch electric skillet provides a reliable and convenient solution for a variety of culinary needs. Its durable construction, user-friendly features, and impressive versatility make it a standout product that simplifies your kitchen experience. Upgrade your cooking game today and discover how this electric skillet can transform your meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.